Throughout my workday, I often search for programs and files, share content with colleagues, connect to devices, and change my computer settings. With Windows 8.1, I can do all of these tasks and much more from the charms. I access charms by swiping in from the right edge of my screen or by using the keyboard shortcut Windows plus C. With my mouse, I move the pointer to the upper right or lower right corner of the screen. The first charm I notice on the bottom is Settings. From here, I manage the settings for the specific app I'm using. For example, because I'm on the Start screen, I can personalize the background and color. But if I'm in a different app or on the desktop, I have access to different settings, such as Control Panel and Personalization. Regardless of the app I'm using, I can always manage these system-wide settings at the bottom of this pane. Here, I can connect to a network, adjust volume and screen settings, change notification and keyboard settings, and access power options such as sleep and restart. I can access all of my other device settings by choosing Change PC Settings. As I navigate back to Charms, the next option I have is Devices. I use the Devices charm to play or print content, as well as to project to another screen. Charms also give me a convenient option for navigating back to the Start screen by selecting Start. And I can always get back to my previously opened window by selecting Start again. I'm traveling to Brazil with a colleague next month, and I found an article on the Bing travel app that I'd like to share with him. The Share charm makes it easy. Here, I have the option to email this article, or if it's an article I don't have time to read at the moment, then I use the new Reading List app to bookmark it and add it to my reading list. Now, whenever I have a spare moment, I can open my Reading List app and read this article without worrying about where I found it earlier. Perhaps one of my favorite features of Charms is Bing Smart Search. While working from anywhere in Windows, I can open Smart Search and look for apps, documents, and settings on my device, as well as the best of the web, all in one comprehensive result. If I'm on the Start screen, all I have to do is start typing to run a search. For example, I'm traveling to New York next week for business, and I want to learn more about the city before I go. Immediately, my search results appear with a beautiful app-like experience where I can see related documents on my PC, local weather, attractions, and much more. I can even filter image results by several different criteria, including the color of the images I want to see. All I could possibly want is a click away. The impressive capabilities of the Windows 8.1 Smart Search and the convenience of Charms makes my day simpler and streamlines many of the common tasks I perform.